So you want name brand Bluetooth headphones that won't break the bank? Well, I got the Sony WH-CH500 and we'll check them out right after this.
This is, you listening to Travis.
What up, players? Welcome back. And for all you new people, welcome. My name's Travis and I do tech videos every single week and I have a blast doing them. If that sounds fun to you, hit that subscribe button. But for now, let's get into the video. Technology is getting better and better. And with that, you can get things for a lot less money than you used to be able to just a couple of years ago. Bluetooth headphones are no exception. Let me tell you, there's some fantastic deals out there right now for under $100 that would blow your mind. As a matter of fact, my favorite pair of headphones, which I'll do a video on not too long from now, they cost just over $100, and to be honest, blow away most headphones I've listened to at about $200. It's crazy. But a lot of this really has to do with what you're looking for. And in a budget pair of headphones, especially if they're wireless, you just need a couple of things. They need to sound pretty good, they need to look pretty good, and they need to work. I mean, what else can you expect? So I'm in the middle of a search of the best Bluetooth headphones for under $100. And Sony is a pretty powerful name. They actually have headphones all the way down from like $20 to $300. So really they span the gamut. And I've done some other Sony products on this channel, so you can check those out if you click on one of the cards right here, as a matter of fact. But we're gonna take a look at the CH500s. They're new, they're budget, about $80. Got mine at Best Buy for, I think it was $79.99 plus tax. And they're supposed to be pretty good. I'm not really sure what to expect, so let's go ahead and unbox it. So here they are, the CH500s. By the way, can we name them something cool? I mean, CH500s? How are you gonna remember that when you tell a friend? Yo man, I love your headphones. What are they? Yo bro, they're WH-CH500s. Yo man, what? Point is, I would just prefer something cool like the Sony Walkabouts or the Sony Earmuffs or I don't know, something that I'm gonna remember. But enough of that, let's take a look at this thing up close. They're on-ear headphones, which to me are not my favorite. I like over-ear headphones. These will sit on your ear. Looking at them closely, micro USB at the bottom, no USB-C here, power on the very bottom, and your volume up and down, track forward and reverse. So it's a double kind of thing. Hold it long for one thing and just tap it for the other function. So here's some of the specs real quick. 20 hours of battery life. It actually is compatible with voice assistant Siri and Google Now with the button on the bottom, and NFC One Tap, so that way you can pair it just by tapping the back of your phone. You don't have to go find it in Bluetooth or anything. Super simple, really cool, super easy. Now these feel kind of cheap, I'm not gonna lie. Very plasticky, very kind of non-premium. I'm afraid to do the twist test you see people do all the time. They just feel like they're just gonna snap. Now, having said that, they're under $100, so you kind of temper your expectations, but I've seen headphones that are quite a bit even less than this and that don't feel quite as cheap. But for me, I don't really care. As long as they sound good and don't break easily, I'm in. I mean, Bluetooth headphones are almost a dime a dozen anymore, and you really just want to get something that's functional. Like these seem like they'd be something you could take to the gym if you don't mind ear sweat. I mind ear sweat. But if you don't and they sound good, the price is right, so let's put these things on and see what they're like. Okay, from a wearability standpoint, they feel okay. They're very, very light. I think the plastic helps there. There's a little bit of force against my ears, so they're staying real snug to my head. I don't know how comfortable that would be after a while, and certainly working out my ears would definitely sweat. There's no doubt about that. But on a plus side, it kind of isolates the sound a little bit. I mean, I can definitely hear what's going on out here, but it's, it's better than nothing. And to be honest, it actually isn't as bad as I thought it would be. Over ears have tended to give me discomfort. But these seem to sit right on, and they seem to work pretty good. And the lightness is you just can't overstate that. They're very light. Now I have a couple different songs I'm gonna listen to, but to be honest, there's only one that matters. And I've said this across all my audio tests. I use You Know You Like It by DJ Snake. You can listen to it up here. Because it has highs, mids, and lows. The lows are really low, and the highs are real crisp. If this sounds good, then I think almost any type of music will sound good on these. So we're gonna go ahead and try that. Okay, volume's all the way up. I can't hear myself talk. Here comes the bass drop. 3, 2, 1, bass drop. Whoa! What just happened? Now, if you watched my Bluetooth T5 review, when I turned on audio noise cancellation, my face showed my incredible disappointment. But this time, I'm amazed. Unlike some reviewers, I don't listen to my headphones or speakers or anything before I record it. I want you to see exactly what I feel as I hear it. And I'm gonna tell you right now, I am shocked. You see, yesterday I went to Best Buy and listened to a bunch of different headphones. And while they all sounded okay, none of them gave me an experience. My favorite pair of headphones are the Skull Candy Crusher Wireless. They give you an experience, they rattle your head. I went through a bunch of $200 and $300 headphones, and only the very top had a bass that actually took you anywhere, made you feel something. But somehow, these do. The bass drop on You Know You Like It is crazy. Like, it's not the top $200, $300 super bass headphones, but it blows everything away I've heard $100 and less. I'm amazed. Matter of fact, I gotta listen to some more. You know you like it, but it's just a shame. What you want, what you gonna do? You know you like it really exposes a lot of headphones and speakers for their deficiencies. It has a lot of highs, mids, and lows, as I mentioned. And typically what you find is that the highs and mids are okay on most headphones and speakers, but the lows are gone. You just don't hear it. But in these headphones, not only do you hear the highs and mids, and they're fine, they sound absolutely great, the low is there. I'm still blown away that a sub $100 pair of headphones sounds this good. The Bluetooths didn't even touch this bass-wise, and a lot of other headphones I have that are under $100 don't come close to this. The only thing that comes close, and even beats a little bit, are my Skull Candy Crushers. But that's like substantially more money than these. So I have just found, surprisingly, my new favorite budget under $100 headphones. The king is here. I'm speechless. If this video helped you out in any way, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share it to all your friends. And if it didn't help, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share it to all your friends. I'm here every single week having a blast doing these videos. I hope to see you again real soon. Peace and love, peace and love.